Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to find camera settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, if you want to find camera settings, so you will see different features is here. If you want to find camera settings, so for example, turn on shoot suggestion, so turn on shoot suggestion button and save selfies to preferred, so you will see. After find, go back to home screen. So that's how you can find camera settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.